Hello and welcome to Thyris Web Development Tips and Tutorials. Putting up the location of your office or store on your website is the best way to help your users get directions for visiting you. It also builds trust when your users can see your geographical location on your website. The quickest and most effective way to add location to your site is to embed a Google Map, which is what you will learn in this video, along with making it responsive to fit into all screen sizes. Go to the link google.com/maps. Type in the location of your office building or your store. For example's sake, I will type UB City in Bangalore. Select the correct option from the drop down. Verify that this is the exact location. Yes, it is. Click on Share on the left. Select Embed a Map. Click on Copy HTML, which will copy this code. Now go to your code editor and paste this line wherever you want the map to appear. Let's see what this looks like. Perfect, we have an embedded Google Map inside. But quickly, if you go to responsive mode, you will notice that this map is not responsive. It doesn't fit into smaller screen sizes. There's a very quick fix for this. Go back to your code and change the width to 100%. Now check. Great. We have this fitting into the smallest device possible, as well as large desktop screens. This is all we needed. What are you waiting for? Add your location to your website using Google Map. Thank you for watching. Hit a like and share this video ahead. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to subscribe below and turn on the notifications so you won't miss a single video from Thyris.